What's good, Tinania family? Welcome to another vlog. Stay tuned all the way to the end so you can find out what's happening at Onyx. This week, guys, we've been absolutely busy. Again, we're going to do a salon vlog so I can show you what's been happening. We've got a few packages. If you're in Perth, Tuesday, we have Tuesday Frenzies. So here's the website, guys. Ding, 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 ding. So you can go and have a look at it. If it's your first time tuning into the Tinania family, what's up, y'all? We are salon owners. We own Onyx here in Perth and in Bali. Don't forget to check out the website, and also don't forget to subscribe, like, and don't forget to press on the notification bell that looks like something like that. That can let you know when we post up every single day, y'all. Hope you guys are having a good week. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Alright, so this week's been absolutely hectic. Miss B and her Bali team have had the pleasure of doing Chef Gena from Indonesia, Hill's Kitchen, the head chef there. Like Gordon Ramsay, but Indo, Polynesians. So we'll let you watch it and have a look.
I've got this hard and free. School holidays kick over back in Perth for my two girls, so I'll be back on Tuesday and then I'll be back on the following Friday. You can spray on, Jojo.
While Miss B's in Bali, we've been absolutely busy. They're also doing a like a little mini Miss Indonesia over there, so hope you enjoy it as well.
Calm. And you're very confident in your star only. Imagine you're on the stage and imagine how you shine to all people, light, love, okay? Are you energized? Energized! Are you energized? Energized! Are you pretty? Yes! Are you miss? Yes! Are you great? Yes! Great. Are you hungry? Yes!
From Jakarta. Lee from Tabanan. Miss Laura Muniz from Bogota, Colombia. Miss Trishna from Tabanan. some more love to the girls. They earned it. They deserve it. You have no idea what they have gone through in the last 2 months, so they deserve it. As much love as you can give them.
Now, following that, we had the pleasure of doing a photo shoot with Miss Universe contestant from WA. Absolutely beautiful girl. Thank you very much for your time and helping us out with our Instagram photo shoot. Enjoy, guys!
I wouldn't know how to go.
This one.
The what?
This one.
Is that the one that Aloy did, Sade? Is that the one that Aloy did with the move?
Yeah.
The one?
That one didn't get nowhere.
Our favourite one didn't get anywhere.
No.
That's always...
Yeah.
You keep combing, Rocco, easy hair. Huh? What? Jealousy. Oh yeah, you're and that's on a Saturday.
That's right.
Thank God I'm not working here. Praise the Lord.
Nothing can be the blood in your life.
And that's on the best of days.
That's when I'm in trouble. That's when I'm in trouble.
That's when you know he's done something wrong.
Guys, everything. Just sit here and then come back.
I need to do something. Hurry up so I can dress someone. Almost done. I'm just lost. I'm like.
Together with this Instagram collab, we have collabed together with a company that's absolutely amazing, and we recommend if you're in the Mandurah area, please go and check them out. This is their website, Blue Cherry Bridal. So we've used all their dresses, and please go check out their dresses if you're getting married soon. All right, thank you for watching.
I want the dress. Honeymoon. And presents. Yeah. Wishing well, so everyone gives you money. It's like not even kidding here. Yeah. I really like that dress. That's beautiful.
Yeah, make it.
You want really couture?
Yeah.
Okay.
Couture, that's a nice word. Come on, give me a couture. Oh, that's beautiful. Yes. All the lane.
And on.
That looks alright. put you in a big ballroom or something.
Well, bees and the girls are in Bali. They also had a privilege of riding on horses. Sofungus.
Aku di sana. Dia mau ke sana, tunggu sudah. Dia mau ke sana, orangnya mau ke sana, samperin ente gitu.
Beluan tang-tangi melasing mas kedet pentang.
Yeah. If you don't know, we're also wig masters here in WA, in Perth, in Mandurah. So don't forget to check out the website, guys. Go and have a look what our pricing is all about, and you'll be absolutely happy, 110%. So this next episode is one of my friends who's been coming to me for a few years, and we've also put a halo, onyx halo around. Okay, also custom dyed it to the red, as you will see, but she's got short hair at the moment, so we're gonna make it long. So she works away. She also wants to look good as well. Dye the halo for her, also installed it for her. And so easy. The halo is just like, you put it into the band, put it around there, and it's got hair at the back there, gives you the length. But all you need to do is flip it off. How cool is that, guys? Hope you enjoy it.
Yeah.
You ready for the finger, Steph? You gonna give me the finger again?
I didn't mean to. I
I'm joking.
But we added this one to break it up.
How is that, guys? See, we've had an absolutely busy week at Onyx, always busy. Thank you to everyone that has supported our business. And you know what? We're going to do a little story about how we started here in WA and what's the meaning behind the name Onyx. And that will be our next vlog. Thank you for your support. Don't forget to press the like button, looks like something like that. And also, press the notification bell so you're notified every single day that we post up a video, y'all. Which looks like something like that. Alright people, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.